Lobby runs, get some fucking filament. You see, we got the work uniform on. Get it. How much you think we're gonna get this filament for? I think it's gonna be about $20 a pop. Dark shades up right now. I came here the other day to grab some filament for the printer, and I'm almost out. I only bought one just to try it out, see if I like it. So the goal today is to buy probably one of each color. And I don't remember if it was PLA only or a mix. But hopefully they got more than what they had the other day. So we're gonna get black. We're gonna get the gray. Gotta get one of these. Gotta get a purple. 15 a pop. What is it? 30, 60. Yellow, marble, and rainbow. I opened this. I was the one who opened this last time I was here. And it's been about 2 weeks, I think. So, you know. Bro, I should have freaking cart. Look at this. They had some wood and like a wood style filament, but it's gone. And then all they have is PLA in here. Let me see if I can find some on another aisle. Bro, I think that's all they got. I think somebody got the wood style filament. I was gonna make some fucking drawers, not drawers, but shelving for my game room with it. But it's gone. We'll check back in when we get the total.